Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my latest purchase from Gucci and my birthday present to myself. So I'm very excited to open this up with you guys and share this with you. It's on one of my wish lists, and I saw that Saint Laurent recently had a price increase and Louis Vuitton, and so I figured Gucci was next, and so I wanted to grab this before I went over $1,000. So let's take her out. Alright guys, so as y'all see, we have the Gucci Super Mini Dionysus. So I am so excited to add this one to my collection. Again, I just feel like this is such a staple. This is something that I've had my eye on, and so I was evaluating the different sizes, and I don't have a super mini bag. I never jumped on the trend when it was huge. I generally get stuff after the trend. I think that's primarily just because I want to make sure that I like it, and so you know, I'm not just getting it because everyone else is getting it. And what's great is that you can find content, right? So once you have the trend, everybody's sharing, you know, what fits, like how to style it, and so you get a full glimpse of it. And I know we're going back to larger bags, but I just don't have a super mini in my collection. And again, I just wanted to grab this one before it was over $1,000, because with the next price increase, I guarantee this is going to be over $1,000. But yeah, I really wanted to add this one to my collection because I don't have anything with silver accents. Everything that I have is gold, and I was kind of on the fence on actually getting it. I never pulled the trigger, and I'm really glad that I did because I don't have anything with silver accents. I just love it. Again, it's that classic Gucci canvas. You have the suede, so it's very neutral. I feel like you can use it all year round. I love the tiger head detail. The strap is very functional, so you can use it as a crossbody. I've seen people use this as a belt bag. I'm personally not a fan of belt bags, so I won't use it that way. But you can also, let me open it up and show you all the inside. So you have that suede interior, and I do need to get a dust bag for it. Here is the interior, and because it's a mini, it was designed to kind of be used with other bags. And so there is a clip on here. There's so much in this bag. That's everything. So there's a clip on here so you can hang it on other bags, but you can use this to make it a shoulder bag. So if you take this and run it here, so it's all on one side, you can connect it, or you can use this for something else. But I like the idea of using it as a shoulder bag as well. Maybe especially towards the end of the night, because this is definitely more of I'm probably going to use it as a going out bag. But I can also definitely see using it probably for happy hours and just a casual day of shopping where I don't need a lot. I just need the essentials, and that's why I love this bag, is because I really want to do that. I also really wanted to get this because I think it's a great bag to travel with because it's so small. And you guys, it's even smaller than I thought it was going to be in person, but I actually like it because that's what I really wanted. I wanted something very compact to take with when we travel that is nice, and I can use this day or night. It goes with anything because of its neutral colors. It's that classic look, and I'm just really excited for it. As I mentioned, it is a birthday present to myself, and so I got it. My birthday's at the end of the month, but I wanted to get it so that I can use it throughout the month for my birthday activities. So yeah, that is the Gucci Super Mini Dionysus. A little up close look. For dimensions, it is 6.5 inches in width, 3.9 inches in height, and 1.57 inches in depth. And then it's a 60 centimeter drop strap, and again you can turn it into a nice little over the shoulder bag if you want. Yeah, that is the bag, and now I'm going to share what fits inside as well as how I'll probably use it. So I have the new iPhone 14 Pro, not the Max, and as long as this fits in here, we are going to keep the bag. If it does not, then we're probably going to have to reevaluate the birthday gift option, but it should fit. Yeah, so it's a little snug. Like it's a, well, I wouldn't say snug. It's a perfect fit. Apple can't make larger phones, but it's a good fit. And, or so it fits everything that I would need while I'm out. And we are actually going to test that. And then what I like is that it's not a magnetic closure. It is like a snap closure. So that way you can for sure have everything secured in here. Okay, so I grabbed my cosmetic case in case we want to try some of that out. My key holder, my normal wallet, which is the Chanel double key holder, or I'm sorry, double card case, and then the Gucci card holder. And so we have my phone in here. So let's put in a card holder. So we have that, and honestly that's probably all you'd be able to fit. Let me just put in my key off of the holder, and we'll experiment with the holder in case I want to use the holder with the key. So I probably wouldn't be able to really put my phone in here. So let's try card case, key, and then that fits fine. Let's see how sunglasses fit. So these are my new Gucci Square sunglasses. I recently got these because they went on sale on Nordstrom. I was so excited about it because I've been wanting these for a bit. And when I saw that they were, I think they were like 30% off, I like jumped on it. So let's say I want to put my sunglasses in here. I can put the card case in here. What about my keys? And keys. Just wouldn't be easy to like get in and out of. But we can make that work. Realistically, whenever I use my bag too, I'm not going in and out of it. It's really just to hold my things that I don't need while I'm out, right? So keys and card, and that's why I really wanted the Super Mini, for those reasons. However, I'm trying to think of like when I travel, I'll have keys and the card case, and so I wouldn't be able to put my phone in here, which I think would actually work. Okay, we have those combos, so let's keep the card case in here. I'm also getting the organizer, so also if I just went without the card case and I want to put my phone in here and just put the cards in the case, like the organizer, because there's always card slots, that would work. You could also technically put the key on the key holder, but then it'd be like poking out and I don't want to do that. So that's an option. So we have that. But let's say you're going out and you want to bring your card holder, and then let's grab some essentials. So compact mirror, maybe perfume. So we have purse spray, and then oh, that actually fits a lot. Where's my, oh, I don't have my lip balm in here. Oh no, there it is. And lip balm. This is the large one, so let's see how this actually fits. This might be a little too big, but you can fit like a real lipstick in here. Let's take that one out. But that fits. So you can travel with all of that. And then if you wanted to bring like a larger card holder, that's really all you would be able to bring. So I probably wouldn't recommend using it unless you just need the card holder and maybe you want to bring like a lipstick or something. Like here's the purse spray, but like that's all that would really fit in there. And even then, let's see, actually that doesn't close, so it doesn't really fit. So this is too thick for the bag. But yeah, overall I'm excited and I like it. Again, this is gonna be more of like the going out bag, so I'm fine that it just holds like literally 2 or 3 things. I'm just really excited to have it and to use it. And yeah, other than that, that is my birthday present this year, and that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.